to start with, take us to the journey of the company and like briefly just mention about, yeah.
Yeah, very good afternoon. So thanks for the opportunity
Yeah,
given. So actually, we are
yeah,
basically related into the spinning industries, and we are dealing with machinery accessories for mainly into spinning industries. And
spinning
this
industry.
company, yeah, started by myself in 9 years back, 2011. I started this
Okay,
company. So and quite
okay,
till now the journey is really wonderful because I am the first generation businessman. So with
right,
my experience with the European companies where I earlier worked, I worked with the European companies such as Breaker and SSM, Saraswiter, Mettler. So I worked in the
okay,
various markets like Southeast Asian, Far East Asian countries, Bangladesh, and North India. So I got rich knowledge from there, working my experience. So then I decided to start this company in 2011 with the help of my wife and myself. Both we started, and it's
okay,
steadily growing. And now we have 15 plus employees, and we are focusing into various products. Like our
okay,
majorly, I could say that we are into dealing of three kind of products. One is like
okay,
a value addition to the industry. Other
okay,
is like a consumable, little high value consumables, which to maintain the performance of the industry. And third one is
okay,
like essential items to run the industry.
okay. So,
So we
so
are into three different.
which are these products, and also give us some what makes these products unique from those of the competitors.
Yeah, actual the first product was I said it's the value addition of the industry, which is well
Yeah,
known as this like nowadays there is a big market for compact spinning. Compact spinning
compact.
attachment, yeah, retrofit attachments for the existing ring spinning machines.
Okay,
So this
and
we are making ourselves. This we are making ourselves, and we are marketing in our name Fiber Plus Eco Spin.
okay,
So last year we launched in Texfair, and after that
okay,
we could get some trial orders across the country, and we already supplied a few machines in Andhra Pradesh market as well as Maharashtra market, and also to Bangladesh
okay,
market.
okay.
So and we are expecting some of the repeated orders, and this is like a need of the industry right now.
Hmm.
It's like the compact attachment is a tool to enhance the profitability of the spinning customers, existing customers.
Right. Okay,
At the same time, the those which is available in the market, especially from Europe and Japanese, even from Chinese, all are the cost economics are not working out because
okay,
today it's not a luxury. The compact is
Hmm.
not a luxury because
Right, right,
they are not getting any premium for the compact. So
right,
it's a tool to use. You can use as a enhance your profitability.
right.
So you have to give a product at affordable cost, which they can get a return of the investment within less than a year. So within a single digit of months, like less than 9, 9, 10 months. So the people are looking like that. So 2 years before we started this developing this product, and now we are happy to announce that we are very successful.
Okay,
So that is our one of the main product, key product at the moment, which I am focusing. The second
okay,
product is we are dealing is Geron card clothing. Card clothing, it's imported card clothing, and we are the distributor. We keep the stocks here, and we are selling in the market. And it's quite here how we different from others means this a innovative product because we cater
right,
into the major is a cotton industry. Cotton
right.
industry, we have some products which are unique, which are the patented products. None of our
Okay,
competitors having that kind of products. The same way, there also we are helping our customers to enhance their productivity, either their productivity or quality levels. at an affordable cost. It's not something. It's a patented product. We are not charging very high to the customers. So at the affordable
Okay.
cost. So that my aim from when because normally I'm also a technician. So
Yeah.
I want to give a plus to my customers. Whatever I do, something we have to give a plus to the customers so that they can prefer us. That is our main
Right.
motto. So that's
Right.
the main motto of our company. When you give some
So
plus,
y'all are like,
the customers will prefer us. Yeah,
okay. So y'all are like a sales agent for Geron.
yeah, yes.
Yeah. And
For
which
the
is the
South,
third product?
third product is like we have the Inarco cards and aprons. We are dealing with Inarco cards and aprons in Andhra Pradesh, and also
Okay.
we are dealers for the InnoSpin rings and travelers. This is a Delhi-based company. Uh,
Okay.
Actually, they got the technology from Korea. So 2 years
Hmm.
back they started. A few years back they started the company, and they are now we are into the market. It is equal to
Okay.
the European products quality, and we already started supplying to few of the spinning mills in Tamil Nadu, and they also do
Okay.
the rowing transport system. So, which also recently we concluded a order at Theni, the mill name called ACV Products. And
Okay.
the fourth product we are doing is the compact spinning lattice aprons. This
Hmm.
is one of our friend doing, and they are the pioneer in the Indian market. They are the only
Okay.
manufacturer who produce that lattice aprons for compact spinning.
Okay. Understood.
Normally, earlier it
So,
was available from Europe, either from Europe or from China. But
right. Understood. So
gentleman,
the,
Mr. started the manufacturing industry in Coimbatore, and now he is
okay.
having a capacity of to make the 2 lakh pieces per month.
Understood. Right. Very good. Very good. So the main product is the compact spinning, which you are
Yeah,
manufacturing in-house.
yes, in house.
So, in today's situation, how do you think is the market for compact spinning systems, and what are the emerging trends in the market?
Yeah, actually, this compact spinning, there was always people are talking about future is going to be 100% compact, future is going to be 100% compact, because there is a substantial development is going on in the weaving industry. So the every weaving, if we are getting modernized, we have to give a high strength yarn to the weaving industry, which can run without any problems in the downstream process. So, but at the
Right.
same time here in India, if you see last few years, we are always getting a inconsistency in the quality of the raw materials. So last few years, if
Okay.
you see raw material quality, especially in cotton quality, it is there is big variations are going. We are not getting a
Okay.
right quality of the cottons. So we
Okay.
really feel that it's a need of the industry that compact could be used a way to enhance your raw material spinnability, to improve your raw material spinnability. At the same
Okay.
time, you can increase your profitability. At the same time, you can enhance your customer satisfaction so that they could get a better, they could do a better marketing in the weaving industry.
Okay. So, as you said, you have supplied to some Bangladesh market also, right?
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. Are there any other countries which you are planning to
Just we are talking with
explore?
companies. These one of our old friends, because I was working in Far East Asia for more than 7 years. So I came to know those friends are they are showing some interest, especially in Indonesia, Vietnam, Uzbekistan market. There is a potential. I could find there is a market for the combat spinning also.
Yeah. So, as you know, the Western countries are
Yeah.
moving out of accessories market.
Yes.
Do you see vast scope for India to make a bigger impact in this market?
Yeah, definitely. There is a big opportunity for Indians. If really we could able to maintain our consistency, main is the consistency. So we should not
Right.
make a good quality products. We could also make a good quality product. We have a lot of
Right.
because we have a big engineering industry based in Coimbatore, who are doing a lot of they are serving to automobiles, they are to aeronautical. So like they are into many engineering industries, electrical, electronics,
Right.
lot of things are available in Coimbatore. We have a good infrastructure. Only thing is, if we could gain the knowledge of the basic products properly, and we could understand the customer's application exactly, so then definitely we could
Sure.
meet the good quality products and we can make it. So that I really believe that we could make it.
Okay. Are there any plans of expansion?
At the moment, we do not have any expansions because of this sudden. Because okay, at the moment, the future, I really believe that the future of textile industry is in India, especially in India. It remains to be. It really it will be improving. There's no doubt. But next coming few months, it's going to be tough. There is no doubt.
Yeah.
That's few
Right.
months. Because once the industry restarting after restarting, it has to come back to the normal, so it will take some time.
Right.
Up to that, we do not have any plans to expansion, but really we are working on
Yeah.
our R&D. We are working on our
Yeah.
R&D, so we could do better
Right.
to give a better product, so that the
Yeah.
customer get mainly the customer profitability to be increased. So how
Right.
we can help as a supplier, how I can help to them. So really we work on that. So we spend on R&D, but don't go for the manufacturing facilities, expansion or something. We don't do with that.
So right now, how much is the percentage of the company spending in R&D right now?
Right now, I could say that exactly the percentage what I'm spending is in my manufacturing cost. I'm sending it 25%. We are sending 20 to 25%. We are making it.
That's a very good number. Yeah.
Yeah,
Speaking about
because
R&D, like uh,
yeah, because
this
we are into the
modern
beginning stage. Yeah.
understood, right? So modernization and
So
automation is increasing across industries. So what is the significance of this for your company?
sir, lot of modernization and automations are available in the industry. When it comes to textile, but still our people feeling it's a luxury. Well, two things are there. One is from our supply side, a little the economics are not that much because we don't get that much big volumes. So our suppliers are also not able to make it affordable. And the spinners also they
Right.
feel that still because the labor what the labor cost available according to the labor cost available in India, most of the
Right.
automations they feel it's a luxury, but the day will come, no,
Right.
no, the workforce availability of workforce is the question. It will be a question. If you can pay more also, you will
Will-
not get the people. That time definitely we
Right.
see
Right.
that the automations will work. So this is my personal
Right.
opinion that still our people feel, especially in spinning industry. So
Right. Right.
they feel still it's a luxury. So automations, most of the
Right.
automation feel it's
So can you brief us about the marketing strategies that were applied to in order to stand out of the competition?
yeah. My always I believe uh, making a relationship, good relationship with customer, understanding their problems, and trying to stand with the customer, whatever if they face any problems. So I always believe on the customer relationship, how to improve the customer relationship and making it them happy. So giving
Right.
providing the best after sales service. More than sales, I
Right.
believe in giving a best after sales service.
Right. So it has been almost 2 months now since the lockdown.
Yeah.
How it has impacted business, and what are your expectations from the government?
Yeah, actually, it just it's almost zero. Actually, last 2 months we did not have any business. Even I could say that not even a single official phone call or email. My email box is
Okay.
totally empty, so I did not get any. My
That,
inbox is totally empty. So not a single
yeah,
email I received from any customers or really it was and really it's uncertain and unexpected situations which we did not
okay,
focus. And most of the entrepreneurs, small entrepreneurs, first generation entrepreneurs like me, we always expect some relief from government that regarding the giving the working capital. At least they should give 25 to 30% extra working capital uh,
right,
provides through the banks with interest low interest rates. That's we are expecting. Whatever the announcement we got from RBI, but when while speaking to the bankers, so none of we are not getting any happy news from them. So it is
right.
not much encouraging. It's not much encouraging. Whatever
So,
the announcement from RBI, one well coming into the implementation from banking side, so it is not happy. It's not happening
okay,
also.
okay. So, what kind of challenges are you anticipating once you resume your business?
Definitely, the mainly is as I said, that three line of products which we have. If you see just into our major portion of 80% business volume goes into the first two lines, which is like
Okay,
as I said, the value addition, high value, like a semi-capital investment. Second thing is a high value consumables. Only 20% value is only in the low level consumable. I expect next three
okay,
months, at least next 3 months, we expect the business only from this, the third bottom line of our products, which is the
okay,
essential product to run the industry, which is a very low
okay.
volume. Definitely,
Understood.
for us to cover up the expenses, which is not going to be sufficient business volume. So this is the problem that we will be facing uh, lacking of funds and cash flow. Working capital will
Yeah,
we have to increase our working capital. This is the
right.
main
Understood. So,
yeah,
challenges.
yes,
So,
main challenges.
have you recalibrated your growth plan due to COVID?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, what we were expecting, so from there, at least, okay, everybody should aim for 100%. So, if
Yeah.
practically speaking, what we expecting the growth, we could reach only 80%. I could expect that because almost
Okay.
now 2 months has passed. Next 3 months is difficult. So, remaining the 60-70% only left in the financial year, where we need to work hard.
Right.
And we
Right.
expect the yarn markets should improve. And I also hearing from some of the export inquiries will come to the Indian yarn industry, so which will definitely
Okay.
boost our business also.
Right. Right. So I'm done with my questions. You want to add anything else?
Nothing, sir. Just let us stay positive. I request all the textile industry. Definitely,
Right.
it's going to be okay. Everybody understand that it's a tough time, and we have to come across these tough times and uh, be safe and stay safe and be positive. Definitely,
Yeah.
we could win. And I feel a bright future for Indian textile industry. Definitely. So, thank you very much for the opportunity.